Good, happy Sunday everyone. I'm Riley King and welcome to my news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. 2 people sent to hospital for carbon monoxide exposure. Authorities said a furnace malfunction caused a carbon monoxide scare in Sanbornton Saturday evening. Fire crews were responding to a medical call, and when they walked inside, the carbon monoxide detectors they were carrying went off. Officials said the home had extremely high levels of CO2. 2 people were taken to the hospital and 1 had serious exposure. Officials said the home did not have working carbon monoxide detectors. And that does it for my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.